Hello, good morning. Uh, this is our first video for the year 2025, and we'll be doing a screen replacement of a Samsung Galaxy A51. Actually, this phone belongs to my daughter. You can see from the screen is bad because it fell from my daughter's hand and got broken. So I did order a screen replacement screen that came with a frame. This is actually the replacement screen. So we will be dismantling this device and replacing the screen. So what we'll be doing today is, this screen came with a frame. So we'll just be transferring the information or the parts from this one to this one. So let's dive straight into opening of the phone. So the best way to open the Samsung device is easy. Let me put this aside. This is the screen. You can heat up a little the behind of the so there are some screws here. So we'll take off those screws. You have to remove the SIM card tray so that it does not disturb taking the next space out. So this is removing the SIM card tray. Then again, now we have to take off this back cover so we can get access to this flex cable and probably the battery. So you can slide it in a little carefully. Outer casing, we'll keep it away. Then the next thing you have to do, so you don't damage the board, is to take out the battery. In the case of any left out current in the system, you don't bleach, you don't. Okay, the battery is out. You take away this flex cable slightly. From this other side, you take it off carefully that you don't get it damaged, but it is very flexible. Keep it somewhere. Now what we have to do, we'll take out this board out before taking out the other half of the board. So there's some screws here, which is, I'll take off the connecting cables. I'll take out those flares. You can see there's a flare here. Let me take it. There's a small flare here. Take it out. Great. Now I will bring you under the microscope so that we can have visibility. Okay, the main board. Now we have to take out this one slightly. This is the fingerprints. Then let's look and see which other screws are inside this main board here. So while there is nothing, we can take it out. You can see it is out. So we have to take the main board out. This is the main board. There are some screws holding the main board. Let me go through it under the microscope again. So I think there should be one screw holding the main board. There's nothing holding the main board, so we just have to go under the main board and take it out. Take off the flex cable. Now you have to take off this cam slightly. Now you can see the main board is moving. I'm just going to slide something under the board. Okay, there's a screw. I told you there's a screw. Don't mind my eyes. There's one screw that's holding the main board. This is the only screw holding the main board. So the screw is off. Now we cannot take the so we are left with the battery. We have here there's something I need to do. Please pardon me. And see, there is a speaker here that we have to remove also either. I'll take out the battery first. So let me go for the battery. I'll go under the microscope and take out the. So it is easy. You can slide a pair of tweezers from this side of the. It is stick somehow. So but gently. Gently. Oh, so it is out. So we'll take it. What is that? Under the battery is out. So this gum also at the reverse of it also, but it sticks a little. Because if it does not stick, you will see at the end of the day, the phone is working and some part will be moving. So what I did here now, I took out a double-faced gum at the reverse. I'm just going to prepare it for usage. So this is just a double-faced transparent adhesive tape. So I just attached it to the back of the, it can get fixed here to avoid moving when assembled. So it's properly fixed. So after that, I will be putting the main board. This is the main board. You can see the main board is connected to this area, to this device here, which is the take you back to the microscope so you can see it clearly. This connector and this, ensure that it is well connected, and this is the one I fixed with the adhesive tape now, so I'll be attaching the main board now. I will show you clearly under the microscope. And we know we removed a screw from the main board, which is the only screw holding the main board, which is we have to fix here. So that has been done. Please do not connect the battery while doing this work. So the next thing now is to put in the camera. This is the camera. So you can see it. Ensure that it is well mounted. And please, once you inside the camera and you press the connector, you will hear a click to ensure that it is well connected, or the camera will not be this is the frontal camera. If it is not well connected, it will not work. So that is done. So I will want us to go to the reverse side of it, the other board, which is the board that has the charging connector at the end of the system. Okay. Slightly insert here. As is. Then now we have this sensor that we also removed. The sensor, we have to go here. Let me take you back to the microscope. You see, we just inserted this one. This is a sensor. It has a connector, and ensure it is well fixed. You can see it is well fixed. And there's another cable that comes from the screen. It has to be well connected. And when you insert it, ensure that it is also fixed. Okay, everything is connected. There is something I want to get out of the order. Just to put the antenna cable, let me show you again in the main connector, main screen. Okay, I don't know, my reflection is much here. So now it is left for us to put this cable that runs from the main board to the rear board. For the sake of my eyes, I will go under the microscope. So the cable is connected. Here. The ray, there's a ray, you can see the rays. So the rear part of the board also, which is here. You don't lose the. So I think all is done. What is left now is for us to put in the casing. I'm going to put in the main cable. So this is the main. Now it is fixed. Now I'll put the battery again. I'll put in the casing again. Casing again. Yeah. Wonderful. And let me try to power on. It's now working. I think the battery was not well connected. It is now working. Charging and taking. I became very worried. You can see we are just 44 minutes, 1% charging. I just want to turn it on before I put on the screw. It is 1% charging. You can see 1%. Let me try to switch on. So I think we are good to go. So we just changed. I think, let's see. Everything is working perfectly. You can see it's working perfectly. So what is left, I will switch it off and I think the switch. You can see the back, it has an adhesive tape that I also used before. I think it is still good. That is it. I think job done, job done, job done. It's turning on properly, and you can see we've just fixed the phone screen with a replacement screen from AliExpress. So I can also recommend you to buy from AliExpress. It just cost me 17 euros for the screen. If you go to a repair shop, they will tell you 70 euros, but it has been fixed. So if you like and there's anything you like to comment on my video, you can leave a comment on the comment section, and our next will be fixing another screen repair of a Xiaomi X3 Poco Pro, okay, in our next video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. So I'll be stopping the video here. Thank you. Now